Hello everyone on the internet, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video we're going to cover tiny changes to commands in Minecraft 1.13, or currently snapshot 18W16A. So the first thing I'm going to say is, if you want to see more content like this, leave a like. I really appreciate it, and it lets me know you like these command block tutorials. Anyway, let's get into the video. The first change I want to talk to you guys about is scoreboard player's tag turning into just /tag. Say if I want to add the tag example to myself, I would normally just use scoreboard player's tag add example to add the example tag to all players. But if I press it and then last scoreboard players actually no, I forgot, it's not scoreboard players tag anymore, it's just /tag. You see tag add example. If I press that, you see added tag example to H2O Firemaster. And then /tag at a list, I have one tag example. Okay. Then it's these funky little symbols right there. It's next. It's a feature in the teleport command, where basically this is relative to the way you're looking. This one teleports you one to the left or to the right. Left is positive, right is negative for the first one. This teleports you up or down. And then finally, this is the big one. This teleports you forward. But it does it in the way you're looking. If I look this way, it teleports me that way. If I look up, it teleports me up. Or I could teleport me backwards by putting it negative. See, if I look this way, it teleports me backwards every time. And so next I want to tell you about item objects. Sorry about that. This mostly takes place in the give command. So I'm giving all players a diamond, but instead of 1, 0 like you would in 1.12, 0 isn't needed because of the damage value, and because there's no damage values in 1.13, sorry, and the 1 isn't needed because it goes on the end. And so the MVT tags has to be actually connected to the item ID. I'm just doing display name Ocean Gem. I'll tell you why we need the curly brackets, not the curly brackets, but the backslashes in a second. But you see, if we do that, then we get a diamond named Ocean Gem. Okay, the next one is block objects. It acts really similarly to the item objects. Here I'm set blocking in front of this button, command block. In square brackets you put a block state, and in curly brackets you can put NVT tag. Facing equals up is the block state, so it's facing up. And then the NVT tag is command, as this is an example. That's basically what's written inside the command block. And so, if I press this button here, change the block at those coordinates, but this is an example, and it's facing up. Okay. Now here's custom name JSON. You see, this zombie is called custom name. Okay. So let's take a look. Summon zombie. Yeah, above the command block. Custom name. But here's what catches your eye. Probably. I don't know. I'm not you. But text. Custom name. This uses the raw JSON format. Which means it's a little longer to type, but you can add stuff like color. Say if I want the color to be purple. Oops. Purple isn't a color, it's actually light purple. Or dark purple. Well, purple is a color, but just not considered a color in Minecraft. That is. There. Now you see the name is light purple. Say I want the name to be aqua. There we go. Or dark aqua. Or green. Etc., etc. But as well as color, we can also add text formatting. For example, if I type like bold true, then now it's bold. Okay. So then we're going to look at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be the first person to see my videos. Anyway, that's all from me. Goodbye.